Hello everyone, this is Crypto Brains and this is our daily market analysis. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, it's not looking bullish, first thing. And the reason for that, if you look at the 4-hour time frame and if you do the latest price action, it had made a low, then a lower high, then lower low, and then another lower high, and now it's heading towards another lower low. Okay, so what does that mean? That means for me that before going to the 42k, we may visit the 30k again before that. The major support zone in between the path is this 34k to 35k level. Once this is, especially this 33k broken, which was held many a times, the 30k is inevitable from here. If you look at the daily chart of the BTC, the daily chart is still in this range of 42k to 33k, but it is now at the bottom zone of the range. So the two possible scenarios are either it's gonna bounce from here to the range top, that is 39k to 40k, or it is gonna break down the range. Even if we see the weekly chart for the BTC, after the term, both the weekly candles are looking pretty weak, and as today is the weekly close, so it may continue in this range of 42k to the 30k or may break down. So what would be our trading plan? We will make the trading plan on the daily time frame now. If you look at the daily time frame, the thing I really want to trade right here is there are three possibilities that I would like to trade. One thing is, if it is gonna bounce from this 34k 35k support zone, then I'm going to long this chart. I will let you all know when I will long, so that you can also take your positions, and then we will go for this 40k. This is a good scenario, and while it would be doing this, the Ethereum and the altcoins will all come in the same time. So basically, while BTC would be going there, we will be trading our alts like earlier. If this situation happens, this is the case one. Case two is BTC is gonna break down and then visiting 30k zone. Then I will look at the reaction at the 30k zone. If it seems like a bounce from here, we can again long for the same strategy for the alts and the ETH. But there can also be possibility that it may break down below 30k, and that would be not good, or we should at least be in cash for that situation. So the point is, don't put the money into trades right now. We will first wait what will be its reaction at 35k 34k support zone. If it is gonna bounce from there, we will open positions. I will make trade plans for that and will share with you all. And if we're gonna break this, then we will wait for 30k, and the same scenario, it may bounce from here or it may even break down. So we will wait what's gonna happen. And in both the cases, when the bounce here happens, the thing we will wait for is this, the break of this, and then uh, acting as a support, then going for the next leg up. It would be, this whole tally would be hyper bullish for the alts, and we will be trading and scalping our day trades in the alts in this situation. This is the best possible scenario to make money, but we cannot ignore this scenario, because I really believe from this stage 30k is more feasible as compared to the 40k. This was all about the BTC. Now let's discuss about the ETH. Ethereum is still holding the diagonal support, but it's almost on the verge of breaking it below. So I would really expect in this situation is that if you look at the ETH price action, it has made this low, then higher, lower high, then lower low, and then another lower high, just as the BTC, and we can expect next like lower. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna wait for the BTC price action reaction at the 33k or 34k, and if it is gonna break down to 30k, then we will look for the BTC price action. Whenever the BTC is going to bounce from any level, we will be taking position in the alts and the ETH, and that will make us the good money. We are not going to short this market, because shorting this kind of market is really difficult and even impractical. It's a good way to lose money. The point is, you have to remember in general that not every day or every week is gonna make you good money in the crypto. You have to be patient for the moment when the good opportunities to make money come. While in between these events, you should wait patiently and should try not to lose the money. because most people make good profits in the crypto, but only few are able to retain it. Most loses their profit while the price action is still in the chop. So what you all should gonna do is, today is even the weekend, just stay calm and don't go near the trades, don't put the trades. Okay, just wait for the price action to be clear to enter. So this is the kind of the time where you should be patient. Thank you.